Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error codes 4226 and 4227. The error reads, "Your transaction could not be authorized. Please try again later." The error mainly occurs when users try to make a purchase in the game, such as buying an Idris, but the transaction fails and displays this error. According to our research, this is a system-side issue. The error typically appears when there is a problem with processing the request or when the item goes out of stock. As this is a system-side issue, there is nothing wrong on your end. You can simply wait for some time and try the purchase again later. And if the item is out of stock, then you are out of luck. Better luck next time. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.